Hello everyone, my name is Walid and today we're going to be unboxing a Matchbox. Yes, I have Matchbox in my collection. Anyways, we're opening a Plymouth 1970 Plymouth Cuda from 2020. I bought that one in 2021. Usually when you come across stores, you find usually some stores have like an old new stock, and this was I think the case for this one. So before I open it, I want you guys to like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. Anyways, let's open it. Here we go. As you can see, I opened it. Okay, here we have the Plymouth Cuda. First up, we're not going to talk about how lifted it is on the ground. Interestingly, so this thing doesn't have details on the front. I don't know. I don't know if these are. I don't think. It does have details on the front, I can tell, but not on the back, which is something pretty new to Matchbox. It's pretty rare to see like designs with cars that have no details on the front and the back, as most Matchboxes I've seen. Let's talk about the details. I like the little gray stripe back there. Can I? Okay, you can barely tell, but I want the camera to focus. Yeah, look, you can see there's like a gray decal, and it says Hemi. It says Hemi. Got the little front cover, pretty iconic for this. It's nice. I like the back of it. I like the little taillights, the exhausts. I like how detailed the exhausts are. What was this thing made? Wow, that was like 2003. That's actually old for a Matchbox. But still, it's so lifted. It's weirdly lifted high. I don't think any Hemi is like that. Like the little front. At least the front is detailed, which doesn't disappoint. Honestly, such a nice little. So yeah, also I like the little silver trims on the rims, and yeah, the silver trims look cool, and this of the rim type they have in the little dots, which makes this car pretty special also. I don't know if this is part of the decal, but well, it feels interesting, like ridges. Yeah. So yeah, guys, right now it's montage time. So guys, hope you like this video. Now before I leave, I want you guys like and subscribe and share this channel with your friends. We'll see you next time, everyone. See you next Sunday when we upload the bike hunting video. Bye bye.